guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Flaky crust filled with fig jam, walnut, cinnamon and sugar. Let me show you how to make this amazing cookie, and let's get started. The cookie dough is so easy to make. You're gonna combine 8 ounces of cream cheese and 8 ounces of butter, both room temperature. You're gonna mix until very creamy and well combined. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix in 1/4 teaspoon of salt with the flour and add it to the batter. You're gonna add 2 1/4 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Mix until combined, and then you're gonna divide the batter into 2 portions. The dough is a little sticky. Flatten the dough and shape into a rectangle or a square. I use the scale to make sure both pieces are almost the same weight. You're gonna refrigerate 4 to 6 hours, preferably overnight. 6 hours later, and before I take the dough out of the fridge, I'm gonna prep everything I need. I'm gonna make the cinnamon sugar mixture. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 50 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of white sugar. Mix them together, set them aside. Here I have the fig jam. I took it out of the fridge a while ago. I also have peach jam. I'm gonna do both flavors. Prep an egg wash with an egg and some milk. Mix them very well and set it aside. The last thing I'm gonna do is coarsely chop 1 cup of walnuts. You can add more if you're feeling generous. I have everything I need now. I'm gonna take the dough one at a time out of the fridge. I flour the surface very well, and I'm gonna flatten the dough. Don't be afraid to add flour as needed. Spread it in a rectangle. If it tears, no big deal, patch it and continue spreading the dough. As always, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. If you're liking my recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. Now I'm gonna spread a thin layer of the fig jam all over the dough. Spread a generous layer of the cinnamon sugar all over the dough. Then you're gonna spread a generous layer of walnuts. Half of the amount is just right. You're gonna roll the dough as tight as possible, and it doesn't have to be perfect, just do the best you can. I'm gonna place it on a baking sheet, place it in the fridge, and work on the other dough. The other dough, I'm gonna spread it with some peach jam, a little bit of lemon zest all over. Spread with the cinnamon sugar and the walnuts and roll the same way. Refrigerate the 2 rolls for at least 2 hours before baking, and right when you're ready to bake, you're gonna remove from the refrigerator and brush all over with the egg wash. And slice 1-inch slices. Sprinkle with the rest of the sugar and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until it's golden. It's okay for the filling to ooze a little bit, it's very normal. Wait for the cookie to cool completely before slicing through fully. I really hope you give this recipe a try. This cookie is so flaky, soft, filled with nuts and jam. It is amazing with your cup of coffee. And until next time, bon appétit!